So the call for action for you is first to join as International Gender Champion, if you haven't done it, to endorse the pledge. Hi, my name is Elise Buckle. I'm founder of Climate Bridges and co-chair of the Climate Impact Group as International Gender Champion. So together with the other co-chairs from IFRC, Red Cross, Costa Rica and Germany, we launched the Geneva Pledge for gender-responsive climate action at the UN. It was endorsed by more than 80 member states and organizations, and it's focused on priority actions, including on equal representation in climate negotiations and also gender-responsive climate finance. There are 6 priorities in total. You can find them online. What we are focusing on right now is the implementation of the pledge. So the call for action for you is first to join as International Gender Champion, if you haven't done it, to endorse the pledge. And if you are already part of this group, to really look at the best practices on implementation, especially on representation and gender-responsive climate action on finance, so that there's more climate finance going into the hands of women leaders and women entrepreneurs, especially in the Global South. Thank you so much for your support.